don't be fooled. What is it like when you're in this and you lift up off the ground?
Well, you know, it's going to sound kind of cliche to say this, but it really truly feels like a magic carpet.
The Muller Sky Car is a vertical takeoff and landing flying car. The pods, called nacelles, rotate to direct thrust. Inside each are fans powered by 2 engines.
This jetpack uses 2 super fans. The 2 fans generate a 186 miles per hour rush of air to create lift. The jetpack doesn't need rocket fuel. Instead, it uses ordinary gasoline to power its 2-liter V4 engine. Unlike conventional aircraft, the jetpack can fly close to trees, next to cliffs, and between buildings.